I was excited to receive this package from garbagecollection.co.kr in the mail. It came from Korea via EMS. The shipping took just a little more than 3 days to the USA. It came in an orange bubble envelope with a bunch of fragile stickers and tapes on. I was initially worried that I didn't see a cardboard box, but it turned out there was a custom box in the envelope for maximum protection. Garbage Collection definitely went extra mile with this box, as it even had a detailed graphic image of the roof I ordered. Opening the box, I was greeted with another layer of bubble wrap. With this much protection, I shouldn't have worried about my mailman throwing the package at my door. While it wouldn't survive being run over by a truck, the packaging was definitely more than adequate for its trip overseas. But as I inspected the items inside, I was pleasantly surprised yet again. The keyboard roof for my Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro 2 was expected, so I wasn't entirely surprised finding the roof wrapped in the bubble wrap. What caught my eyes by surprise were the extra items. It had a microfiber cloth with a custom branding on it. It also had a clear plastic Garbage Collection sticker inside a Ziploc, which I guess I could stick it on to the car window or on the roof itself. The clear black acrylic roof fit perfectly on my Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro 2. If you weren't convinced until now, even with the level of details in the packaging and extra items, you are guaranteed to find the quality of the roof is extremely nice. While it wouldn't give you a complete watertight protection, it covers all 4 sides with minimal gap. And I was really glad to find the bottom of the roof, which would contact the plastic housing of my Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro 2, had really nice, dense foamy material taped onto it. Plus extra foamy material in case you need it later. So yes, I'm glad I found a roof for my keyboard. Ever since I got myself a real force this summer, it is true that I don't get to spend as much time with my Happy Hacking Keyboard Pro. However, like many of you, I can admire a keyboard just looking at it all day. When I go to bed at night, I can sleep sound and safe knowing my keyboard is protected from the element. Garbage Collection has all sorts of roofs in different shapes and colors. I have been in discussion with them for a group buy for the keyboard lovers in the USA to save everyone some shipping cost, because shipping costs almost as much as the roof itself. So please stay tuned. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.